Welcome to HAPLAST's factory, where advanced production lines and dedicated teams work together to turn raw materials into reliable produce bags for everyday food packaging. The process begins with carefully blended resin pellets, which are then fed into the blown film system, where a continuous bubble of film is formed to create the base material for each bag. As the film moves through the line, side gussets and printing are added, before precision perforation makes each bag easy to tear. The film is then wound and converted into finished produce bag rolls. From Vietnam, these produce bags reach customers around the world. Designed for convenient dispensing, each bag separates smoothly and is ready for packing meat, fruits, vegetables, and other fresh foods. Supported by large-scale warehousing, a production capacity of 5,000 tons per month, and internationally recognized certifications, HAPLAST continues to deliver packaging solutions that meet diverse market requirements and serve trusted partners worldwide. Looking for a reliable produce bag manufacturer? Contact HAPLAST to explore packaging solutions tailored to your business.